What if I told you, being poor isn't always about how much money you make? Some people earn very little, yet slowly build wealth. Others earn a lot, but remain trapped in debt. So what's the difference? It isn't luck. It isn't intelligence. It's often the systems behind their financial decisions. Welcome to Mind Mechanics. Most people believe, if I earned more money, all my problems would disappear. But studies have shown that when income increases, spending often increases too. This is called lifestyle inflation. The more we earn, the more we feel we should spend. The result? More money, but the same financial stress. Your brain naturally prefers rewards today over bigger rewards later. Buying something now feels exciting. Saving for the future feels boring. That's why spending is easy and saving is difficult. Your brain isn't trying to make you poor. It's simply following its natural tendency to seek immediate rewards. People who become financially stable don't rely on willpower every payday. They build systems. For example, automatically save a small amount every month. Plan purchases before shopping. Separate needs from wants. Track expenses regularly. Small decisions, repeated consistently, create big financial results. Money doesn't only grow in your wallet. It first grows in your mind. If you build better financial habits, better financial results usually follow. If you want to understand how your mind influences your money, subscribe to Mind Mechanics. Understand your mind. Change your life.